My name is Ken Wardick, and I have Lillian cabinets. I've had my Lillian cabinets about 2 years.
Have your cabinets met your expectations?
Yes, and then some.
Why did you choose the cinnamon shaker cabinet?
Because my wife wanted the color. I had a couple of samples sent to the house, and this is the one we chose. I like how you guys did your dishwasher panel on the side, because then I can put one solid piece going across the back. I do like the pull-outs. Nice and easy. I also like all the soft closed doors.
And what's your favorite part about these cabinets?
The construction, they're built very well. So currently I'm standing in the middle of a wall that used to be here. The wall used to be across here, and there was a 24-inch door right here, and this is a pantry. So I took out the wall and put a header across to do it right, and then made this here, and blew out this portion here to make it a pass-through.